Hey guys, good morning. How's it going? Just if you guys can please give me a like, subscribe, and comment, that'd be fantastic. Definitely helps. Share my video. Definitely helps. YouTube push my videos to people that enjoy it as much as you guys. Thank you. Um, so please make sure to give me a like. It's fantastic when you guys do. With that being said, my target hit yesterday, a 415, which is absolutely insane. Yesterday I'd say that TA didn't really matter too much, and I was more on the bullish side towards a 2.5 basis point hike, and Jerome Powell being bullish. Yesterday he essentially said that inflation is kind of over. Um, you know and with that, the market actually absolutely got, ran like crazy. And my target yesterday, which I was like, you know what, we could even see 415, 416, 417, somewhere around that range. And we actually hit 415 yesterday. All my signals are going off to short, so I'm actually starting my shorts now. I'll be selling all of my open calls on my positions, or today, right at open, and then I will be actually piling into shorts for, maybe a little bit out. But yeah, for right now, I do expect us to drop all the way back down to something like a 407, like right here, like 407, 406 or so. That's what I'm expecting. We are going to be closing a 4 hour bear trigger soon, and that again can lead into the daily completely coming right back, right? So we did break highs, which is completely fine, but I do think as of right now we have started that reversal in the market, because you already had Meta go absolutely bonkers, on the overnight session for that $40 billion buyback, right? That's absolutely insane. So I do think this gap is going to be way too huge to not and then to not fill, and then this gap is going to get filled. It's way too big to stay like that, right? So I do think that it might pop a little bit higher to 190 and then reject all the way down to 150 all over again, which is great because I'm actually very interested in buying some Meta. Amazon, again, you usually have Amazon earnings today, right? Amazon is at 109.80, right? 109.80, again, big gap from 106 to 109. Fully expect this to get filled all the way back down to roughly 106.17. Definitely need you guys do that. We definitely need that to get filled. And SPY is probably gonna be, yeah, SPY's not gonna gap up, so it's perfectly fine. But I think overall the sentiment of the market is now for me bearish, right? And then you also have the daily actually closing a full 4 hour bullish trigger. So I do think that as of right now we have started possibly our retest here at 101.366, or the retest back all the way up here at 101.9, because I did tell you guys last time that I was more than likely expecting 101.3 here, right? And we did actually break that to the low side. I'm probably going to come back and either retest this and then drop, or we're going to retest this and go all the way back to trend. I personally think we're going to go all the way back to trend up here to 101.947, somewhere around this 101, 101.9, 102 area. So I'm definitely started my shorts now. And I'm going to be shorting SPX because we already hit my target of 415. And again, you could still go a little bit higher. Not saying you can't, but as of right now, looking at other similar drops, I mean, last time we went from these highs to lows, right? Drop of $9, right? Again, drop. Again, $9 drop, right? And then this last one right here was possibly a little bit like a $12 drop, right? So I'd say between a $9, $10, $12 drop from here. A $9 drop would actually put us right at, let me see, $9 drop, it would actually break. And they were all within 3 days, 1 day, 1 day. So they were all pretty fast, right? We dropped pretty fast when that got triggered. So I'd say, let me see. Let's go with 3 days, 4 days, just in case. Let's go with next week. Right, so 4 days, like a 90, 92, whatever, that's fine. Or we see a $12 move down, which would take us like right there. So those would probably be my targets for now. That means that we'll probably see SPY, SPX 402, roughly 402, 405. So I can definitely see this whole range here being a retest, right? This whole range here, like 407 to to this 40, I'd say 407 to 404 probably. I wouldn't say super low, but if that actually does happen and you end up coming back down and you end up breaking down this low, then you're 100% going back down to like 394, like 394, 395, which is, extremely possible. So we'll see what happens. I'm currently short the market. I think all those gaps and all those big tech is going to get filled. You also have Amazon earnings today, so be careful. I'm pretty sure the Amazon earnings is going to be pretty bad considering what Microsoft did, and you had that overnight tank. So I would not be surprised if we actually fill those gaps today or even tomorrow. So I'm definitely gonna start opening shorts in the market. I'm gonna take all my call profit, all my long profit at open, and then I'm gonna switch to what is it called? I'm gonna switch to puts. So for maybe a little bit longer, we'll see. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But so for right now, it does look like we're gonna be coming back down, and that's gonna be official in 34 minutes when this 3-hour candle closes. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.